Hi everybody. This is the first Excel trick and which is a regular issue faced by a user. So for example, if you have lots of data and over here you have a serial numbers. If I delete any of the records from here, so for example, if I'm deleting this record number 3. So if I click on the row and I press Control minus, you see what happens. The serial number gets distorted. So after 2 it's coming 4. In the same way, if I delete this 2 row, so if I say Control minus, after 7 it comes 10. So 8 and 9th row is deleted, serial number is deleted. How do you solve this issue so that automatically if you delete a row in between, it should not change the sequence? And here is the very interesting trick. So what you have to do is you will delete this serial numbers and here you will put a row formula. So here you just have to type equal and you will type ROW, that is row, open a bracket, close a bracket and say -1. So basically row formula gives you the current row number. As we are on a second row, so we have to say -1. Like for example, if I say equal row and if I press enter, so I will get 2. But no, I have to start from row serial number 1. So over here you will say -1, so it will go one step behind. It came 1, that's all. You come on the corner and you say double click and your work is done. Lovely. Now let me delete any of the row and you will see there is no effect on the serial number sequence. I say Control minus, wow, automatically it became 4. Even if I delete multiple rows, so I am deleting 7th to 10th and I say Control minus, automatically the row number 11 will be changed with serial number 7 and I am pressing Control minus. Lovely. This is a very interesting formula which you should always use whenever you are using a serial number sequence. So this is the formula which you can see, that is the equal row -1. I hope you like this trick and let's move to the second trick of Excel. Thank you.